Welcome back and good morning. Thanks for being
Subscribers
here.
and our respectable viewers, thanks for being here. If you have a waste material at your home, so before you throwing away your waste material, you have to watch our video because we have some ideas for you. Waste material home decor can be a both stylish and environment friendly. Instead of throwing away items that might otherwise be considered junk, why not reuse them to create unique and beautiful decor for your home? Here are some newspaper, magazine, and paper scrap and use them to create beautiful collage for your wall. You can use variety of techniques such as decoupage or attach the paper to the canvas or other surface. Read from the old CDs, turn old CDs into a unique and modern wreath for your door to the wall. Simply bend the CDs into a circular shape and hot glue them together. You can also add other elements such as ribbon or flowers to make the wreath more festive. Old magazine can be rolled up and woven together to create a beautiful basket. Home decor ideas to help you to get started. If you have a glass bottle at home of all shapes and sizes, can be used to create a beautiful vases of flower or branches. You can paint the bottle with glass paint, wrap them in a twine, or cover them with a blob of laces for a unique look. And if you have a tin can, these tin can be transformed into a cute and functional planters. Simply paint the cans and use them to hold small plant or herbs. Jar candle in empty glass jar can be used to create a beautiful candle holder. Fill the jar with sand, pebbles, or seashells to wet them down and keep them from tipping over. Place a candle on the jar and light it to enjoy the warm glow. Hot glue gun to secure the end of the magazine and create a basket shape. You can also paint the basket to match your decor. Wine cork can be used to create a cute and the functional coaster. Simply glue the cork together in a circular shape and place a pipe of cork or felt on the bottom to protect your furniture. Wooden pallet can be transformed into a beautiful and the functional furniture pieces such as place a small bouquet to the flower inside to create a beautiful and the unexpected arrangement. In conclusion, waste material home decor ideas can be both functional and beautiful. By reusing items that would otherwise be thrown away, you can create unique and the personal decor for your home while reducing your carbon footprints. So get creative and start transforming those old items into beautiful work of art for your home. Thanks for being here. So keep watching and do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Shelves and even the bed frames. Simply sand down the rough edges, paint or stain all palettes and add legs or other elements as you decide. If you have a plastic bottles can be used to create a vertical gardens that is both eco-friendly and stylish. Simply cut the bottom of a bottle and place soil and the plant inside. attach the bottle to the wall or fence in a vertical function or the formation to create a unique and beautiful garden. Empty lights bulb can be used to create a delicate and interesting vases. Simply remove the metal filament and fill the bulb with water